Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the frustrating F13 error on your Frigidaire oven in 2025, you're in the right place. This error typically signals an issue with the oven's temperature sensor or control board, which can stop your baking plans dead in their tracks. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step fix that's safe and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll have your oven up and running again in no time. First things first, safety is key. Start by unplugging your Frigidaire oven from the wall socket to avoid any electrical risks. Give it a few minutes to fully power down. This resets the system and might even clear the error on its own. If the F13 code persists, let's move on to diagnosing the problem. Grab a flashlight and a multimeter if you have one. Open the oven door and locate the temperature sensor, usually at the back of the oven cavity. Carefully inspect the wires connected to it for any signs of damage, like fraying or loose connections. If everything looks good, use your multimeter to test the sensor's resistance. For most Frigidaire models, it should read around 1000 to 1100 ohms at room temperature. If it's way off, you might need to replace the sensor. Next, check the control board. This is a bit more advanced, so if you're not comfortable, call a professional. Look for any burned components or corrosion on the board. Sometimes, a simple reset can help. Press and hold the oven's clear or off button for 10 seconds while it's unplugged, then plug it back in. Once you've made the necessary repairs, plug the oven back in and run a test cycle. Turn it on and set it to bake at 350 degrees for a few minutes. If the F13 error doesn't return, congratulations, you've fixed it. If it does, the issue might be more complex, like a faulty wiring harness, and it's time to contact Frigidaire support or a certified technician. There you have it, folks, a quick and effective way to tackle that F13 error. Remember, always prioritize your safety and double-check your work. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy baking.